my god! Oh my god! Mom! 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 Oh my god! Mom! Oh my god! Close. So hello everyone, we're back at Trading View and we're on Silver 1 hour chart. And now let's go to the indicator tab and let's put James Algo V2 Alpha. And we will be applying it to our chart. And now let's start trading. So let's wait for James Algo to give us any signals. So Gains Algo give us buy signal. Let's put our position here. Let's put 100,000 units. So now let's wait. Please up. Oh my god. What the?